Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and I'll see you guys in this video.
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keep it in street, we keep it in street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap.
Simply, if you are looking to change your life in a prop firm that offers a 1 hour payout, this is Ola Prime. Go ahead and get started. The link is in the description to go ahead and get signed up. They are also expanding to the point where they are also including crypto. So if you are someone who is trading cryptocurrencies like your Bitcoin, Litecoin, etc. All right, so this is basically the platform for their actual cryptocurrencies. As you guys can see, they have over 110 crypto pairs that you are able to trade within Hola Prime's platform. So if you are a beginner trader or if you are a seasoned trader, I would highly suggest getting started with Ola Prime so that you're able to make more in returns, okay? Now, guys, I wanted to go over what you guys are missing out when it comes to simply making lots of money by taking my trades and putting it into the market, guys. So if you guys do not know, I do have a trading community where from Monday through Thursdays, I go ahead and send over 1 to 3 trades per day. I simply only trade NAS. That is the only pair that makes me high revenue in return. And this is the pair that I've been trading for over some years. Actually, matter of fact, I've been trading NAS for about 2 years now. And the trading group has actually made a year in consistently trading from Monday through Thursday, guys. Also, guys, I want to let you guys know that it is only $50. There's not many people out here who is only charging $50. It is not about the money, guys. I really do want to see you guys win when it comes to trading, simply because I know how it feels to put in a lot of money and not really see nothing in return. As you guys already know, if you are the OGs of this channel, you guys know that I did get started with a company known as IML, if they are still around, but it was a company that basically celebrated Forex, the Forex market, and teaching individuals of how to earn money and things of that nature. Unfortunately, I had to leave this organization simply because I was not gaining. They required a $250 fee every month, guys, and I barely was seeing even $5, okay? So the whole purpose of my trading group is for you guys to earn way much more than the subscription itself. And a lot of the members that are in the trading group have made much more than the $50 that they are actually investing to receive these ideas, these trading ideas. I do want to say that not every trading idea that I do send out is going to be accurate, but majority of them are accurate, guys. And a lot of my members are happy and they are established as well. So I wanted to briefly go over my trading strategy one more time, guys, to show you guys what I do when it comes to basically sending out that trade idea. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just use EUR USD as an example. As you guys should already know, I'm always going to find out what is the overall trend for this pair. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the day chart. All right, so as you guys can see, this is from the last time that I did some charting. So we're just going to keep it that way, okay, because it has moved. As you guys can see, it is still an uptrend. It has not changed since the last time that I worked on this chart. I'm actually going to then go to my 4-hour chart here just to see if it's changed as far as the trend. The trend still is in an uptrend, okay? And then we're also going to go into the 1 hour. It's also showing an uptrend as well, as you guys can see where my tracer is following. And then we're just going to go for our 15 minutes. to determine what is our entry point, guys. Guys, this is the same strategy that I've been using. Support and resistant lines is the same exact trading strategy that I've been using for all of these years. And it just works simply for me. It works for my team as they are seeing the profits as well based on their lot sizes that they are choosing. But this is pretty much what I do, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and just chart here. Just putting in my support and my resistant lines here. And I'll go ahead and put another one just to be safe. We'll go right here. All right, guys. So as you guys can see right here, this is pretty much the steps of how I go about with sending out a trading idea, right? The first thing that I'm going to witness is it an overall buy or is it an overall sell? If my trends are going into a buy trend, I'm going to go ahead and look for buy opportunities, right? So the first thing that I want to get as close as where the market is going. So the market, it is a Thursday right now, and the market is currently moving, right? As you guys can see here. I want to get in for a buy. So really, I want to get as close as where the market could turn around. Right now, it is a little bit of drawdown, but that doesn't scare me. That doesn't worry me because I know that ultimately the overall buy trend this market is an overall buy trend, right? So my TP, as far as what I want to do, my TP is TP1. So we're going to write it out, guys. So we're going to go ahead with our price entry. Let's go over here and move it over. All right. So our price entry is going to be 1.16978 TP1 is going to be 1.17033, and then I'll go ahead and send out another one, TP2, 1.17104. Okay, remember guys, this is also going to be a buy stop opportunity. Only do pending orders when it comes to my strategy, pending orders. So if this was a sale trend, I'm going in for a sale stop, okay? So as you guys can see here, I actually got my phone here. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to send it out to my group chat so that they know this is what is going, so that you guys can see what I'm doing, right? So as you guys can see here, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste here. They're going to be like, girl, since when you trade this? But I'm going to let them know that this was an example. If they want to use it, they can. If not, they don't have to. So this is the price entry, 1.16978 TP1, 1.17033. Then we have TP2, which is 1.17104. Okay. So this is pretty much how I do it. If you can see here, guys, just from past history, this is pretty much where our communication is for everything related to my trade ideas. Everyone lets me know when the TP has hit, and then we kind of just move forward from there, guys. So I just wanted to get on here to show you guys how you can make thousands just based on my strategy as well as my trading ideas. Again, guys, it's only $50. Only $50, and it can definitely change your life for the good, including with Hola Prime's prop firm, guys, if you are looking to get that higher return or simply trying to pass the challenge altogether, just by using my trading group, guys, you can definitely pass the challenge on multiple occasions. But I just wanted to get on here and show you guys and let you guys know what a huge opportunity that my trading group has to offer. And if you are interested, the link to get started is going to be in my description box. But other than that, guys, if you found that this video was informative for you, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because there will be more content on its way. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.